Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this console. So first let's wake up the screen on our console, and you can do it by pressing and holding the home button or by pressing the power button right here. I'm gonna use the home button, so I'm gonna press and hold it. And after a second or two, the screen should wake up, and now we need to press on the continue, so A, and keep pressing the home button 3 times, and you should see the home page of your console. And now to enable the airplane mode, you can do it in 2 ways, but the first way to do it is to press and hold the home button, and after the menu appears, you can use the analog stick, the right one, to scroll down, and then you can select the airplane mode, and once you select it, you can press the A button, and the mode will be enabled. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen, and as you can see, the airplane mode is enabled. You can tell by the icon right here. And if you want to disable it, you simply press and hold the button, the home button, open the menu, and then scroll down, select airplane mode, press the A button to disable it basically, and then you can press the home button to go back, and the icon will disappear, which means that the airplane mode is disabled. You can also do this through these settings. So if we use the analog stick to scroll through the menu, through the home screen, and select the option called System Settings, then we can press A to confirm, and here the first option we have is airplane mode, and you can press A, and then you can press A again to enable it or disable it. And once you enable the mode, you can also customize it. As you can see, we can enable or disable the features like Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. If you enable one of them, for example Wi-Fi, basically when you enable the airplane mode, it will leave the Wi-Fi enabled if this option is turned on here. So you can customize it to your liking a bit more. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button a couple of times or press the home button to go immediately back to the home screen. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.